What results should clients expect after the first few sessions of tattoo removal? Initially, if the tattoo is very dark, you may have 2 or 3 sessions and not feel like much has changed. Usually a tattoo that's kind of a bit older or not just solid black, you're going to see some lightening straight away. So after the initial soreness has worn off, you might see the tattoo looking a little bit blotchy, sometimes in tone looking a little bit more brown than the typical kind of greeny blue of an old tattoo. But then as your sessions commence, you'll see bits of line work just dropping off, so it will look like a very mottled tattoo, and that's your body just gradually carrying away those broken up particles of ink to leave what's looking like a more translucent or grey tattoo before it eventually clears completely. Not always the case with certain colours, but if we're talking about a black tattoo, if you're patient enough, it's usually completely removable. How long should I wait between tattoo removal sessions? There are some general guidelines that you have to stick to, so it's no more frequently than 6 weeks apart. But depending on the client, their speed of healing, the type of tattoo, how early they are on in the process of their tattoo removal, I might advise something different. So leaving intervals that are longer in between tattoo sessions, there's no downside to that, except that you may not get your final result of tattoo removal as quickly. But on the other hand, if you've had less sessions, it may have cost you less. So that's all variable, but the minimum amount of time would be 6 weeks between sessions. If you'd like to get in touch with me, you can either contact me by phone or WhatsApp on 074949 65899 or by email as laura@cornwalllaser.co.uk.